Emily needed a new phone. She never expected it to come with a terrifying secret.
Looking for a new phone?
Yes, mine stopped working.
This one is used, but it's in excellent condition.
I'll take this one. Thank you.
She thanked the old shopkeeper and walked out into the rain.
I hope this one makes it.
A few minutes later, Emily arrived home. She placed the phone on the coffee table and sat down on the sofa. After a long day, it felt good to finally relax. She turned on the phone and finished setting it up. Everything worked perfectly. Then, the phone vibrated. A new voice message had arrived. Emily frowned. She wasn't expecting any messages.
Emily, don't answer the phone tomorrow. What?
She checked who had sent the message. There was no name, no sender information. She tried calling back, but no one answered. The next morning, Emily woke up. Everything seemed normal. Just then, her phone started ringing. She almost answered, but she remembered the warning. The ringing stopped. Emily thought it was over. Then, it started again. Emily took a deep breath. Then, she answered the call. But no one was there.
Hello?
Then someone knocked on her door. 3 slow knocks. Emily looked through the peephole, but no one was there. And when she opened the door, a white envelope was lying on the floor. Whoever left it knew she had answered the phone. Someone had been watching her. There was only one place to start. She went back to the phone shop, but it was gone.
Excuse me, what happened to the phone shop next door? Phone shop? There hasn't been a phone shop there for years. But I bought this phone there yesterday. I'm sorry. That building has been empty for years.
Then another message arrived.
You should have walked away. Now, it's too late.
Emily thought she was searching for answers. She never imagined she had become part of the mystery.